We're going to Luzerne. Pero change train tayo sa Luzerne.
Kasi end to
going to Engelberg. Andun tayo sa kayo, cable car. Oh, ayun. Maganda ang view sa taas pag naka-cable car na. Kasi makulay na. Oh, we're in Titlis. There. Titlis. And we can ride our own cable car. Very nice. Very demure. Very mindful. Diba? Nice. Ano yan? Ah, yeah. Hindi ko alam. Basta, sasakay na kami ng cable car. Ay, dapat pala nag-action camera tayo, no? Yes. Walang gagalaw. Relax. Philippines.
Philippines. I'm from Poland.
Oh, yeah, your country's very nice,
Yeah.
you know?
I'm bus driver. I working with Chinese people. Many groups with Chinese or Asians, with Philippines also, with Thailand sometimes.
Asians.
ano yan? Israel.
Are you here for
That one.
vacation?
Cuba?
No, I'm bus driver.
Here?
I with group.
Ah, you work here? Okay.
I'm going only to the lunch, or always we have to lunch in upstairs.
Oh, lunch upstairs.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
the. Hindi mo makita kasi naka-shorts.
Ano dyan sasakay yung isa? Link.
Sasakay tayo dun sa nakaupo, then dadaan sa lake. Pero alam mo dun, parang walang sumasakay kay maulan.
Bawal man.
Apil ba yan nasa tuong gibayron? Isn't it?
Mawala din yan mamaya.
Oras na para
mag-lunch!
tama. Oh my God. Am I dreaming? Oh my God, ayun na yung snow. Ay, pwede buksan. Negative ba? One lang, one araw. Sasakay kami dyan sa 360, rotate, or rotate air, rota air pala. So yeah, we're in Titlis. Thank you, Lord. Lagi. So we're gonna ride the Rota Air. We're going inside. And good luck. Going in the laser game. And good luck.
Sana dito masama rin sa mama. Ingay.
Be careful. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. And it's a real ice. Sino yan? Si ano? Kasama ni Winnie the Pooh? Igor? Yeah. Igor! Ayun, si ano? Sa Ice Age. Ano nga to? Sa Ice Age? So, slippery when?
Wet.
What? Lah, inumin. Pag tumagal to, no, masarap na yan kasi matagal na siya. So, yeah. So, malamig siya. Di man kita? Ay, grabe ang snow. Oh my god. This is it. It's the cliff walk and it is snowing. Madulas, magalaw, at ito na nga, katakot ba? Magalaw, madulas, at nagsasnow. Ah! Don't run.
Excuse me, sorry.
Woo! And they put their luck here. Love luck. Hey. Sorry, sorry. Yeah. Oh God. So, I don't know how many meters it is, but yes, it's a cliff walk. I just wanna go here and walk and finish this walk till I reach in the next ride. Oh God, what's this? Oh, picture taking because there's a camera, but no. Oh God. Almost there, and we're gonna ride that one. But I don't know. I think it's not a good idea. But it depends
On visibility.
Action camera, it's your turn to shine. At good luck.
Make me shine.
Shine. Oh.
Like a
Eto,
star
hi.
from the
Oy.
Shine, shine.
Ay, good luck. Dun ka na lang titingin talaga sa paa kasi yun lang nakikita. Good luck.
Ang ganda, no?
Yes.
Wow. Not bad for, ano.
100.
Ganda talaga.
Ayoko na talaga magkwenta.
Ay, naku. Naku. So, we're here in the... hindi ko na naman alam anong pangalan nito.
Titless.
No. Anong ride to?
Air flyer.
Air flyer. Kanina, Rota Air. Ito, air flyer. Na napakalamig.
Actually,
Ang
hindi naman
lakas
na siya
ng
malamig.
Yung kamay ko.
Na hindi ko alam, kinakabahan. Zero visibility lang naman sa baba. At yun. Ay, good luck. Pero let's see. We'll see.
Parang may bagyo.
Wala.
Snowstorm.
Huwag ka, no? Ano kayo? Masyot ka din.
Roller coaster man. Di ba?
Takot mo yan, no?
Poster na grabe.
Kala ko roller coaster, day.
Ang lamig.
Basang-basa yung ulo ko dahil sa snow na pupa. Ay,
So,
nako.
yun. Parang mga isisipunin at uubuhin.
Ay, vitamin C with trust. In vitamin C with trust.
Malamig kasi open siya, as you can see. So, yun. So, paakyat na naman siya, pero zero pa din. Zero visibility pa
Ang
din.
lamig na ng paa ko.
Thank you, Botas.
So, yan yun. Hindi talaga makita. Saan ba banda ang makakita nyo?
Hindi ko may ibang spot dito na pwede.
Na? So, yun.
Hindi mapakali, no? Video, ta sabay-sabay tayo, humiga.
Sige,
Sabay-sabay tayo.
1, 2, 3, go!
Tayo.
Yun kaya, puta na ninigas yung foot ko dahil hindi ka na maramdaman.
Para tayo nakatayo. Pero hindi. So, we're in this area.
Fitless.
This area. And this area. Silipan ang Mutajanek.
Ang inayos lang.
Ayoko umawa. Ayoko.
Wala akong
Wala akong
samahan
plan.
ko ng bato. Ganda-gandahan ka, ha?
Oh, ready?
Ay, nahingal. Tangina, hindi na talaga tayo bata, besh. Kumiyot lang na laro.
Ang lamig.
Gusto mo ganong video? Nahawa ka ng phone.
Andito na kami sa North Pole. Hello.
May mga penguin dito.
Mag-TikTok ko kayo.
Visayas.
Luzard! Ay, Luzard! Titlis!
36 talaga.
360 daw.
Ay!
Dance, dance, Adonis! Woo! Go! Go! Go, go, go! Oh, sige, laro na! Shit! Ang lamig! Feeling ko matanggal na. Nag-record na ako, girl. Woo! Sayang-saya ka.
Saya yarn.
Video! Video pala, guys. Hello!
Ano ka pin, di ba? Let's eat, guys. Recording.
Saan ang flag? Cambodia?
Heidi! Oh, what a beer.
Daming flag guys, pero hindi ko kilala yung iba. Ito parang Arab Oman? No, not.
Girl, ultimate grabber for us, okay? Nice. Oh, no.
Hmm.
Isn't it nice? Nice. God's
Yung
creation.
Pilipinas, oh. Uy!
Ayoko na. So scared. Scared
May
na.
pressure, no? That's, sakto lang din na tayo pupunta ng Luzerne kasi half na.
Video ulit. Pauwi na kami. Papuntang Luzerne. It was an amazing experience. The different one compared what I've tried before. It was nice. And thank God. Nag-clear ang sky. As you can see, nag-change na ang colors ng mga trees. Asa gani? Engelberg ni or Luzerne? Engelberg. So yeah. Isn't it nice? God's creation. It's nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Outstanding. This is Engelberg. Parang nasa painting lang naman kami. As you can see.